Hello, my dear children. You are enjoying the program Dada Dadi Stories. Children, do you want to know how does Ganpati protect rivers and waters that give life to the world? Here is the story. Long, long ago, a demon named Jalasura grew very greedy. He wanted to control all the rivers and lakes, so he dried them up and kept the waters hidden. Without water, crops withered, animals grew very weak, children cried in thirst, and the entire world felt lifeless. So all the gods prayed to Ganpati for help. Ganpati appeared, glowing with calm strength. He lifted his mighty trunk and struck the earth. From that strike, fresh water gushed out like a fountain, filling rivers and lakes once more. The thirsty land drank deeply, and life returned. Jalasura was defeated, and the people rejoiced. Ganpati taught everyone water is sacred, it is a gift of life. Protect it, share it, and never waste it. From then on, people remembered Ganpati as the protector of rivers and waters who ensures that life flows smoothly like a river. So, the moral of the story is that water is life and protecting it is a sacred duty. So, let us summarize the story. Ganpati's trunk brings rivers wide, life returns with flowing tide. Protect the waters pure and sweet, for nature's gift makes life complete. Thank you.